factor the following: 4x squared minus 7x plus 3. I don't see any common factors, so I'm going to go straight to the AC method. 4 times 3 is 12, so I need a pair of numbers that multiplies to 12 and adds to negative 7. Well, what are my choices? I've got 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Now, none of those add up to negative 7. Well, but 3 and 4 add up to 7. Well, can I use negative 3 and negative 4? Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12, so that works. Negative 3 plus negative 4 is negative 7, so that works. So I will use those numbers. I will rewrite the polynomial as 4x squared minus 3x minus 4x plus 3. And now again, I'll use the grouping method. 4x squared minus 3x is x by 4x minus 3 minus 4x plus 3. I can't really factor anything out of them, but you can always factor out a 1 or a negative 1. So since we have that negative, I'm going to factor out a negative 1 times 4x minus 3. So that leaves us with 4x minus 3 by x minus 1. Exercise B, we were asked to factor 12x cubed minus 87x squared plus 21x. All right, any common factors? X is certainly a common factor, but I think we can also factor out a 3. I'm pretty sure, I know 3 goes into 12 and 21, and I'm pretty sure 3 divides into 87. So let me just check that. 87 divided by 3 on my calculator is 29. So yes, it does. So let me factor out 3x. So I have 3x by 4x squared minus 29x plus 7. Now I'll use the AC method. 4 times 7 is 28. So I need a pair of numbers that multiplies to 28 and adds to negative 29. Well, 1 times 28 is 28, and they add up to 29. So let's use negative 1 and negative 28. So I get 3x, and I'll use brackets like I've done in the previous exercises. I'd have a 4x squared minus 1x minus 28x plus 7. Grouping would give me 3x, bracket, x by 4x minus 1, minus 7 by 4x minus 1. So I'd have 3x by 4x minus 1 by x minus 7.